everyone has a goal, that is, you need to unlock this full push-ups in this way regularly. At least you should aim for 10 reps to 14 reps, but it's not that easy. So you need a lot of pushing strength to unlock this full push-ups. So you don't need to worry. I'm here to teach you how to get your first push-up, but I need a commitment. Once you got the first push-up, do tag me in the Instagram and let me know, record your video and tag me. Okay, so this is the full push-up. To get that full push-up, you need to build the pushing strength. So now I'm at the terrace, and you could also find a space somewhere like this. And first you should start practicing wall push-ups. Let me show you how you can practice that. I'll change the camera angle for you. Okay, so yes, here we go. I'll keep it super natural, so no editing, nothing fancy stuff. You can see here. Let's remove those two clothes from here. It's on my way, ignore that. Okay, so now the view is clear. I'll show you how you can do this wall push-up. So go close to the wall, keep your hands at your chest level. From there, take one step back and raise your heel, and you should open up your elbow, go close to the wall and push yourself. So do this repeatedly for 15 reps, 20 reps. Okay, so 15 to 20 reps is what you should aim for, at least 3 sets, 4 sets. Once you got a better grip of this and you feel that you can easily do that, I have a next step for you. For that, you need some slab around. Let me change the angle again here. So for that, you need this kind of a setup. If you see this, I'm just here. Okay, and it's around my hip. You need this kind of a setup, and take the position like this. Just go one long step, slowly down and push yourself down and push yourself. You will feel this one is bit advanced, and you will feel that difficulty. For a wall push up, you won't feel that difficulty, but here you will feel that. I want you to practice 10 reps for 3 sets. It doesn't happen in one day, and it might take 4 to 6 weeks to unlock your complete push up, but practice has to be done. And once you get a better grip of this push up, right, so the next step is the knee push up. So now you have built some strength doing wall push up and some lower angle push up. Now you can directly step into the mat. Here we go, there is a mat over there. So I'll go and show you how you can start with knee push up. So for now, you did wall push up and decline push up. Now I want you to lie down completely, hands at your chest level, lift your both the legs, cross them, and your knee should be on the floor. Slightly lift your hip and deep inhale. Push yourself against the wall. That's it. You got it. And now I want you to slowly bend the elbow, go all the way down. In this process, don't do this action. Okay, you need to take your hip with you down and push. You want to completely deload your entire body and then push yourself. Practice this for 10 to 15 reps regularly. You'll get some control, and then I want you to do this, go down down, down, and don't touch the floor, and try to push it from there back at the top place. Inhale, hold the breath, down, and push it from there. And again, deep inhale, down, push it from there. If you can do this knee push ups, 10 reps, then you can do one full push up here. Hold it tight, straight down, and push yourself. Pola. That's the goal, right? So it doesn't happen. I'll give you a blueprint. Week 1, you can just try wall push ups. Do it for 20 reps, 3 to 4 sets. Just wall push ups. Week 2, go for a little bit declined, the second step which I have showed you. Do it for 15 reps, 3 to 4 sets. Week 3, practice only knee push up like this. Go down and push it. 10 to 15 reps, 3 to 4 sets. And after you done with week 3 and week 4, again practice knee push up where you'll go down and push from there. You go down and push from there. So 4 weeks you have practiced that. Week 5, combine your knee push-ups. Just start with one full push-up. You go down and you could have push yourself. You unlocked your first push-up. And then once you achieve the failure, again practice the knee push-ups. Once you get knee push-ups are so bored, then you would do only full push-ups. I'm looking forward for your full push-ups like this. I want 10 continuous reps. Once you achieve that, come down in the comment section and tell that you achieved it, and I would be super proud. I'll record more videos for you like this.